There are over 150 services you can offer on the internet wherever you are in the world. These services are known as digital services, and these are services you can offer and deliver on your computer without having to contact the buyer physically. So in this video, I'm going to show you the categories of each of the services, and this will help you understand what you can do to make money on the internet wherever you are in the world. This is the third video in the training series. I hope you have watched the previous video. If you have not, I encourage you to watch the previous videos so that you can understand everything from the beginning to this moment. So I will be releasing more videos after this video, but I want you to understand what you can do on the internet. So before we go further, I want to explain what digital services is all about. So I'm going to go straight to this page, and if you read along, a digital product is any product you sell online that doesn't have physical form or substance. These are services you offer on your computer. You can work on all of these services and get it delivered to the buyer from the comfort of your home. You don't need to see the person before you can deliver. It's not like something you buy on Jumia and you're waiting for it to be delivered to you at home. It is something that you work on your computer, and you send the finished product of the services to the buyer wherever they are in the world. So we have more than 150 services under these digital services that you can offer, and all of them are categorized into 8 major categories. So I'm going to take you through it one after the other, and you'll see the various services available under each of the categories so that you can decide where you want to work, and you can see that this is possible for you, and you'll be able to conduct more research and find out more about what you can do and how you'll be able to deliver these services to your buyers wherever they are. So first one, I have graphics and design. This is the first category I'm going to talk about. Under graphics and design, we have so many things that you can do here. And if you look at the left hand side here, graphics and design, you see we have a lot of subcategories under all of this, and each of the subcategory is something you can set up a service on and deliver to your customer. Someone might be interested in designing logo for people, some might be designing flyers, book cover, and so on. All of these are individual services you can offer under graphics and design. So you see, you can offer graphics and design. Everything you need in order to deliver these services is what you will have on your computer. These are services you can do and deliver without having physical interaction with the buyer, and that is the first one I want to talk about. The second one is the digital marketing. You might have heard a lot of people talking about digital marketing, and you keep asking, what is digital marketing all about? Here you see digital marketing have different subcategories. In digital marketing, there are so many categories that you can venture into, and you work for people and you offer your service without leaving your office, your home, or wherever you are. For example, you might want to be social media marketer, you might want to be social media advertiser, you might want to be public relations, content marketing, and so on. All of these are grouped under digital marketing, and these are part of the services you can offer on the internet from the comfort of your home wherever you are in the world. The next one I want to show you is the writing and translation. A lot of people offer writings and translation on the internet, and they make a lot of money every single month. Under writing and translation, you have other subcategories that you can easily choose and work on and deliver it to people wherever they are in the world. The first one, we have articles and blog. You can read more about each of these so that you have better understanding and know exactly which one you are capable of offering. The first one, you see articles and blog, resume writing, proofreading and editing, brand voice and tone, and so on. You see all of these are under writings and translation. The next one I want to show you is video and animation. Under video and animation, you have a lot as well, and these are individual categories you can work on, and you'll be able to earn money when you offer any of these services on the internet. The interesting thing, let me remind you, is you can deliver all of these services without any physical interaction. If you have a very good laptop or even mobile phone, you'll be able to deliver some services wherever you are. So go ahead and learn more about all of these or any of it, and you'll be able to work on the internet and earn some money online. The next one is music and audio. On music and audio, there are so many other subcategories as well. You can learn more about all of this There are a lot of musicians out there looking for people that can work with them remotely, help them master their music, record the sound, or a lot of things. You can do any of these and offer it online and get some money for yourself. The next one I want to talk about is programming and tech. You see people talking about app development, website development, and so on. So all of these are something you can deliver online without having to have any physical interaction with a person. And now that everyone is maintaining social distancing, you see, offering digital services is going to be a very good advantage for you, because you can sit down on your own and work on this and get it delivered to the buyer wherever they are in the world. The next one I want to show you is business. Under business, there are so many things you can do here. For example, you might be in Port Harcourt and someone might be in Lagos looking for virtual assistants. This is where you come into play. You will be able to offer virtual assistants, data entry, market research, and so on through the internet. A lot of people know how to use Microsoft tools like Excel, like Office, the PowerPoint, and so on. You can work on any of these tools and use it to offer your service online and make money from it. You don't need to learn every single thing you're seeing on this particular video. You can take any of it and master it and offer your service, and you'll be able to make money online. And the last categories which I'm going to show you in this video is the lifestyle. Under the lifestyle, we have a lot of things here. You can have online lessons, fitness, art and craft, cooking lesson, and so on. These are lifestyle things you might be able to offer on the internet, and you get people to pay you handsomely. So there are so many services you can offer online without having to talk too much. I believe you have seen the different categories and you have seen the subcategories. Each of the subcategory is something you can choose, and you can develop yourself on it, and you'll be able to offer those services and make money on the internet. Now you might want to ask, if I want to do any of this, how do I get resources? How do I learn about it? How do I start? Where do I start? And so on. I'm still going to make more videos in this training course, and I believe by the end of the course, you will have a proper understanding from the beginning to the end, and you'll be able to lay your hand on something that will help you to make money on the internet without having to stress yourself or without having to spend any money on any expensive tool or software. So I'll be publishing more videos from time to time, and I encourage you to stick with this channel so that you can get updates as soon as I publish more videos. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks again, and bye for now.